Hey guys, I just wanted to post a quick video helping you guys how to create a Google search campaign for your power washing or pressure washing business. So basically, you're going to want to go to Google, ads.google.com, and then it's going to prompt you to create a new campaign and log in with your Gmail account. And once it takes you to select the goal you want, obviously we want leads, but sometimes Google takes a lot of your budget when you click on leads. So we'll just go with create a campaign without a goal guidance. And what we want to do is a search campaign because once people search for power washing services near me, pressure washing companies, when people search these keywords, we want to place our ad. So this type of ad is a search ad. We're going to click that. We do want phone calls, so we'll just tick phone calls. I added my phone number since I'm from Hacienda Heights, California. This is the area code. So just make sure you put your business number here and just click on continue. Campaign name, I'll just name this power washing search campaign. Make sure you uncheck display network because Google shows your ad on unnecessary sites. We'll just leave search network clicked. It shows Mexico because I travel often to Mexico since my family lives here. So enter another location. Go to advanced search and then I'll just hit radius. Hacienda Heights, California. And then the radius went a little bit too large. So I'll just edit this and I'll just go to 5 miles around my city. This is pretty decent enough. And I'll just click save. And then language is English. That's fine. We're not going to mess with audiences. Our budget detects, it shows that Mexican peso, but no, let's just go with the US dollar. This is your daily budget. Sometimes I would, go with $10, $15 minimum per day, but you could, go with whatever you want. I'll just go with maybe $20 per day. That's 20 times 30. It's roughly $600 per month, which is, pretty much on the minimum budget for Google Ads. And then bidding, we want to focus on clicks, and then we could set a maximum cost per click. And usually for search ads, we want to go with probably minimum $3 to $4 per click. Obviously, if you go for higher cost per clicks, your ads show a little bit more since Google shows ads of those people who are willing to spend more per click and have a larger budget. So let's just go with $4 per click. You could play around with this, go higher, go lower, and see how many clicks you get. So this is really important. Ad extensions, you want to activate call extensions, but since we added our phone number earlier, this is already activated. What this shows is, let's say for example, I search for power washing Los Angeles. So these are the ads. This is where your ad is going to pop up, and you see this phone number on top. That's a call extension. So a lot of times it works a lot because when people look for power washing Los Angeles, instead of clicking on your ad and charging you $4, $5, $6 for your ad, for people clicking on your ad, they just see your phone number and they just go straight to their phone and they just click that, they dial your number. And when they search for this on their on their cell phones, there's a click to call. So it makes it easier and it's better for user experience. The clients just go ahead and they don't go straight to your website. They just click to call. So it makes it easier and way better for your ads. So there we go. It's already activated. Click on save and continue. So now ad group name, I'll just leave with ad group 1. So keywords, we're just going to start, clicking, putting a couple keywords like power washing, pressure washing, power washing services near me, gutter cleaning, sidewalk cleaning, pressure washing companies near me, You could obviously add a couple more. One thing I like to do is I like to have exact match, because sometimes when you leave it without brackets, you get clicks for when people look for power washing, cheap power washing, cheap pressure washing, and sometimes you don't want, tire kickers or people just clicking on your ads and just looking around. So you want to make sure you have exact match on all your keywords, so that only when people look for these exact keywords, your ads show up. All right, let's save and continue. So now we're in the ad section. So this is where you're going to create your ad. So final URL, you're just going to add your website or your landing page, wherever you want people to visit your site when they click on your ad. I don't have a power washing business or website, so we'll just go with power washing Heights.com. Again, this website doesn't exist, so just make sure you add your URL here where it says final URL. Display path, you don't really need to add this. And then headlines, you go with number 1 in power washing services, top rated pressure washing near you. Just add as many headlines as you can. And then the cool thing about Google is that it's going to show you, or it's going to show the headline that has the most impact or that most people have clicked on. I'd encourage you to add all these headlines. I'm not going to, add all the headlines since I want to make this quick. Description, you want to add your description like, are you looking for professional power washing? Look no further. We are up for the task. Something like that. I mean, just, get creative with your ad. And that's pretty much it. Just make sure you add a couple headlines so that the headline is going to show right here, and then the description is going to pop on the bottom. So we're going to hit save and continue. Yeah, it says too few elements in the collection because I haven't added a couple more descriptions. So let's just add another one. Professional and reliable pressure washing services in the area. Let's see if it lets us now. There we go. All right, so now we already created our campaign, our ad. We selected our keywords. We told Google that we wanted more clicks and we wanted a call extension on our ad. So now it's time to set up billing. So I'm not going to go through this because, again, you're going to add your paying information. It says by default Mexico because it detects, it grabs my location. So just go with the United States, select your time zone, and then just hit no, don't send me performance tips, continue. There we go. Well, obviously you're going to go to explore your campaign, but your ads are not going to be running since I didn't add my payment information. So now it's going to show you a like a red flag on top to start running your ads, enter your billing information. So it's obviously not going to be running your ads. It's enabled, but it's not going to be running until you enter your billing information. So to fix that, you're either going to go to billing and then summary, or just go to fix it, and it's going to take you to that window. So just go ahead and enter your country, your currency, and then just go from there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just a quick run through of Google Ads, Google search ads. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment, or just ask me any questions, and yeah, I'll be glad to help you guys.